Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter people as a resources. Today we are going to discuss the two different kind of story. Through this story we can understand the importance of human capital in the populations. The first, the story of Sakal. There were two friends, Vilas and Sakal, living in the same village. Sakal was a 12-year-old boy. His mother, Sira, looked after all the domestic works, and his father, Bhuta Chaudhary, worked in the agriculture field. Sakal also helped his mother in the domestic works, and he also looked after the younger brother, Jitu, and sister, Situ. His uncle, Syam, who can pass the matriculation examinations, but was sitting jobless in the house. He has no job. Bhuta and Sila were eager to teach Sakal. They forced him to join the village school, which he soon joined. He started studying, completed his higher secondary examination also. His father pursued him to continue his study. He raised a loan from Sakal to study the vocational course in computer. And Sakal was mysterious, one of the great students interested in study from the beginning. With the great Wagner and enthusiasm, he completed his course. After some time, he got the job and the private firm and even designed a new kind of software. And this software helped to increase the sale of the firm, and his boss acknowledged him the service, rewarded him and the promotion. And whereas the story of the Vilas, the 11-year-old boy residing in the same village as a Sakal. Vilas' father Mahesh was fisherman, or his father passed away when he was only 2 years old. His mother Geeta sold fish to earn money to feed the family. She bought fish from the landowner pond and sold in the nearby market. She could earn just 30 to 50 rupees a day by selling fish. And Bilas became patient of the atheist, and his mother could not afford to take him to the doctor, and he could not go to the school either. He was not interested in the study. He helped in the mother cooking, also look after his younger brother Mohan. After some time, his mother also fell sick, and there was no one to look after her. So there were no one in the family who supported them also. Forced to sell fish in the same village, and his live mother earned only the low small amount of income. In two case study, we saw that Sakal went to school and Vilas did not go schools. And Sakal was physically stronger and healthy. He did not need to visit doctor frequently. Vilas was a patient of arthritis. He lack of means of to visit the doctor. And Sakal acquired a degree of computer. Sakal found a job in the private firm while the Vilas continued with the same work as his mother. He earned much income like his mother in support of life. In case of circle, we can see that education quality of labors enhanced